Welcome to the Baby Edit. Today we are making 4 nutritious and easy fruit purees for your 6-month-old baby. First, Chikoo Puree. Take 1 ripe Chikoo, peel off the skin, remove the seeds and mash it into a smooth puree. You can also blend it for a finer texture. Chikoo is naturally sweet, loaded with fiber and essential minerals, making it great for digestion. Next, banana puree. You'll need 1 ripe banana. Simply peel and mash it with a fork until smooth. If you want a thinner consistency, mix in a little breast milk or formula. Bananas are rich in potassium and energy, perfect for growing babies. Now, pear puree. Take 1 ripe pear, peel and chop it into small pieces. Steam for about 5 to 7 minutes until soft. Then blend into a smooth puree. Pears are hydrating, easy to digest and packed with vitamin C for immunity. Lastly, apple puree. Peel, core and chop 1 apple. Steam for about 5 to 7 minutes until soft, then blend into a fine puree. Apples are high in fiber and antioxidants, supporting digestion and overall health. You can mix these purees with breast milk or formula for a smoother consistency or combine flavors for variety. Which puree did your baby love the most? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more baby food ideas.